watching. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you join the fam. If not, it's whatever. So today I want to teach you guys how to maintain your roller set. Last video I did was a roller set, a salon quality one at home. And now I'm going to show you guys the part 2, which is how to maintain that roller set for up to a week by doing this technique every single night. So what I do is just pin curl the curls. So only thing that you will literally need is pin curls. Warmness is best if you already have like really solid, high quality curls. And then as they lose their curl, they'll still have kind of the body to it versus if you start off with no curls at all. And then by like day 2, day 3, you will lose all the curls that came, or it will just look a hot mess. What I do is open the pin curls and the pin curlers, and then I just grab a section of my hair and then I twist it like this. So I just literally twist it onto itself like that. Do you see this? And then I pin it to itself like that, and then I add another pin and make an X. And that is literally what I do to my entire head. So you see how this one, I just kind of try to follow the natural curl that is already there, and then I twirl it onto itself like that, and add the pin, and then make an X. Now you can make an X, or you can just do a separate one. So with this one, I try to literally pin the pins onto my head. So an X worked for this one, but an X didn't work for that one. So just use your discretion and follow the hairstyle that you're trying to maintain. So with this one, I do the same thing. Let me just do that one over. And I do this into my entire head. So you want to have a lot of pins in case you run out, but you see how it's already giving that pin curl vibe via the pins, right? And I actually like using this pin curl method because sometimes, when you take out your roller set, the curls are kind of freestyling a little bit more versus when you do the pin curl set, but you still have all the products of the roller set. It allows it to really sit exactly how you want it to. So I will show you guys the results in the morning, but I do this to my entire head. Okay? Alright, so that one actually doesn't even need a second one. This one now I curl this way. Just follow the already existing curl, because what we're doing is maintaining the curls. And I do this every single night when I have my real hair out, because it's just so easy to take out and go and start your day. And if you watch any of my previous videos, you see this is exactly how I style my hair when I'm wearing my natural hair, except for the very rare times that I'm wearing it straight. And that's because I try not to put, I already have to put heat in my head when I wear the roller set, but I try not to put excessive heat like flat ironing. And this, even though the first initial hairstyle requires heat, the remaining days that I'm wearing this hairstyle, I don't have to put heat in my hair because the pins maintain the curls for me. terms of comfortability, I don't know. I've been doing this for months now, and I have never once struggled with comfortability while sleeping. But I sleep on my face. I don't sleep on my back like most people. I've never have in my life, like at all. I've always slept on my stomach. So I can't relate to like if sleeping on your hair will cause you issues, because that is not a problem I deal with. But this is the look. So let's look at the back. But this is how I pin up my roller set, and it lasts all week as long as I do this every single day. The one day I forget to do it is the one day the curls will leave. And it's usually after a week of doing this where I get lazy one night and then I have to start all over, either with a brand new roller set or I just do a ponytail until it's time to braid my hair up. So what I usually do is I take a scarf and wrap it around my whole head like this. And tie it in the back so that way the curls don't move. And then I put on just a regular old bonnet. Now I cover the thing, of course, and that's how I sleep. But because I still have to wash my face to take my makeup off because my night is really ending, I am just gonna take this part off for right now. But yeah, you just put on your bonnet and go to bed. Like I said, I sleep on my stomach, so I can't relate and don't know how the pins will affect you if you sleep on your back in terms of comfortability. That's not a problem of mine. I sleep on my stomach. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope this helped you preserve your roller set so you could be a glam girl, or you can go outside like this if you're into this look too. But it is what it is. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you thumbs up this video.